Christmas, the most wonderful time of the year. Um, Usually it's the most exhausting time of the year. But what if we could make it the most magical time of the year this year? Let's do that intentionally with the December Daily Album. Whether you have little ones running between your legs or you're an empty nester, we can document each day in December leading up to Christmas Day and all of the wonderful things that we did to make the magic happen. There are 3 different kits to choose from, depending on your needs or your budget. All kits will include our Home for Christmas paper packet and sticker sheet, along with our Home for Christmas die cuts that include black paperboard, candy apple cardstock, and pine cardstock. In addition, you will receive 12 sheets of cardstock, 3x3 flip flaps, Cricut cuts, reinforcers for the Cricut album pages, photo placeholders. 2 of the kits will include our stamp sets to create the magic, Countdown to Christmas, and Stories of the Season. 1 of the kits will include our 6x6 Everyday Life album in Scarlet, along with 6x6 page protectors. 2 of the kits will include our brand new refillable Close to My Heart adhesive as my gift to you. The best kit includes everything you need to make the album look just like the video: the paper packet, sticker sheet, both stamp sets, the die cuts, the album, the memory protectors, the cardstock, flip flaps, Cricut cuts, photo placement holders, etc. With this kit, you will receive a free gift from me, a Close to My Heart adhesive tape runner, along with 2 refills. The Better Kit includes everything except the mini album and page protectors. Maybe you already have something to use for that. It also includes a free gift from me, our refillable tape adhesive. And finally, the Basic Kit includes everything you need to create the album except the album itself, page protectors, and the stamp sets. Maybe you're on a tight budget and you want to share those with a friend or borrow mine. As you can see, I've tried to put together a kit for every budget so that together we can transform our exhausting Christmas season into a glorious, magical one. Comment below and let me know if you would like the best, better, or basic kit.